administrator module first. This is the Easy Inspections, the home page. One thing I want to show you is we can connect to your website. You know, assuming you have a inspection business and you have a website, we can put a login box here on your website, and then you and your people can log in from your site. Okay, so this is actually a profile page that's being hosted by Easy Inspections, but you can, you know, imagine this is your home page, and you can log in from there. You know, when you come to Easy Inspections, you can customize the look and feel of the account by uploading your logo. Now, let me go through the left-hand side links first, because this links to the modules of the system. Summary gives you the big picture look of your jobs, of the company's jobs, which are divided into job statuses, and under each status it tells you the job counts from each client, and under each client it's broken down to each product that you're doing for that particular client. Okay, maybe a few words about the system. It is from ground up a web-based system. So you just need a browser, an IE browser or Firefox, to access the system. You don't need to install any software or set up any hardware, except a computer with the internet access. You may need a laptop to work in the field using EasyWing. We also support Windows mobile smartphones in the field, but it's beyond the scope of today's training. We also provide services to import jobs from your clients into Easy system, and then upload completed data and photos or reports to your clients. So we have end-to-end automation. You know, as a inspection company, you know, once you set up with us and set up the links with your clients, you don't need to do any of the routine work to create jobs, import jobs, and then once the jobs are done, you don't need to worry about submitting jobs back to your client. They're all handled by us, by the system, or by our services. When, you know, so maybe I'll just illustrate the process a little bit. Okay, so, you know, your client sends you orders, or you get the orders from your client's website, okay, into a PDF file or CSV or Excel into the order files, and you can import into Easy. Or we can import that for you through web services or through our automated importing services. So the orders are in your system or in your account in Easy Inspections, and then they are automatically dispatched to your inspectors by zip codes or counties. Okay. You can also manually dispatch your jobs. Now, then the inspectors have the choice to either print out the orders on paper or download them to laptop or smartphones and complete them in the field, and upload back the data and photos into Easy. Now, the job is to submit everything back to your client. Okay, as I said, we provide the service to do that for you. Okay, but you have the choice to, to do the submit yourself. But our services are efficient. Okay, now let me go back to the left-hand side. This is a summary page. My jobs actually links to the jobs that dispatched to the inspectors. Okay, so this is the page for the inspectors. The manage jobs page is for the administrators. That lists all the jobs in the company. Okay. Search jobs, you can search by entering various criteria. Synced, printed jobs with pending bids, different statuses. Contacts is for you to manage your office administrators, inspectors, clients, or subcontractors. Okay, you can manage them all under this space. Documents is for administrators to upload the company documents that inspectors can download. So inspectors does have access to this link. Forms is the forms library, either from the standard library of Easy Inspections, or you can set up your custom forms using our web pages. So you can administrate the forms yourself. Do not need to pay our developers to do that for you. Reports are management reports that gives you the different views of the company. Jobs by clients, job by zip codes, jobs by inspectors. And we're also going to add a turnaround report for you, so you can track which inspector gets in the jobs on time and the on-time percentage. We have an accounting module that lets you preset fees for each client, each product, each types of services. Like sale date, maybe a different pricing, walkthrough, foreclosure, inspection, maybe it's all a different pricing. Then you can set it up. You can also set up pricing for your contractors individually. Now, once the fees are set up, each job at the time when it's created, it already has a fee associated with it. Then at the end of each pay period, you can create invoices and payments. Invoices for your clients, for your bookkeeping, payment stubs to send it to your contractors. For preservation people, we also provide invoicing for each job, because each job is pretty big and complex. My account gives you the account information. You can set up online credit card payment to us. Also set up optional settings to customize your account. Things such as automatic dispatch, days between the client due date and the contractor due date. Email alerts, inspector permissions to access different parts of the job, invoice and payment, and other user options. So there are quite some options that you can customize. Help links to online support. This is for your use when you see a glitch of the system. Then you can report a issue to the administrators. Help docs is the link that you can download the manuals and other helpful